Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at 33 weird food combinations which sound gross but taste amazing. But that does not sound amazing to me. Okay, so let's get started. 1. Cheetos in milk. Wait, what? Oh no, if Cheetos in milk tastes good, but that sounds bad. 2. Peanut butter and pickle sandwich. No, that's terrible. How could you eat that? Frosted Flakes with cheese? Are you kidding me? No. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna puke. That's disgusting. How do people think this tastes good? This is not good at all. Like how? That's disgusting. 4. Salama and grapes. I wonder if that tastes good. I kinda could go for uh grapes. Melted chocolate on cheese pizza. Is that crust? That crust is freaking chocolate. They never said that could be that. That kinda sounds good actually, guys. Peanut butter on a hamburger. Who would eat that? Why would you eat that? Smoking on. Peanut butter jelly sandwich with Doritos in the middle. That sounds good. I think that's actually good. Salt on peppers on apples. I don't know why you would eat that. Like, I don't know if you guys would eat that, but I don't think I would. Aw. Or fries dipped in honey. I don't know if that's good, but I think that you can get that at like Burger King or something like that. Not sure. But I bet my parents would like this. Peanut butter and cheese. Nope. That's not good at all. Peanut butter and onion. Dude, how could anyone think this is good? Do you think that looks good?
No.
They say this looks good.
It's absolutely disgusting also. Introducing Oreos is not a thing.
Or use different oranges. Yeah, see, he didn't think that's good. Vanilla ice cream with soy. No, we're skipping that. I'm not doing that. I was gonna use my appetite. Funyuns and cream cheese. I like Funyuns, but I don't like that. Popcorn and ketchup? How? How? How would you like that? Popcorn and ketchup? Grape jelly, jam and scrambled eggs. Mm-mm. Think a peanut butter sandwich with Doritos in them sounds good. Brie, what's that? I don't know what that is. Avocado with avocado. Yeah, no, avocado with honey. I don't know if that sounds good, but I don't. Tell me if you guys think that sounds good. Salted chips with not Nutella. Chocolate and chips. That might sound good actually. Rice with ketchup. Oh, I can't do that. Ice cream and fries. Dude, I want some ice cream. Ice cream fries. I've never tried that, so. Forget or marmot with pasta. Cheese. That does not sound good. Popcorn and marshmallows. Sounds good. I wonder what you guys think. Fish fingers and custard. Ew. Hot dog and with jelly. No. Pickles and Oreos. That's not even good. How? Pickles aren't even good. The butter and sugar sandwiches. Well, if it has jam on that. Okay, guys. Tell me if you think it's good. Butter and jam on together. That's good. Grilled cheese and applesauce. Strawberry, sour cream, and brown sugar. No, that's not good. That's not good. They're not even eating it, so they took one bite. That's not even has a banana on it. Well, that's it for today, guys. Leave a comment if you think any of that was good, and subscribe and like, please.